The Bobby Hobby, Lobby Schnobby. Schnob on my paw. Corn on the cob. Oh, look at him, he's cute. Look at how thin his neck is. Oh my god. It's a lot of babes. Oh my god. Look.
Oh, yeah, look. 1, 2, 3,
4.
There we go.
We got it.
That's the smiley
Cross
faces.
off the smiley faces. Tink. Oh, these. They were like that.
Cute. Yeah.
We need these. Tink. Can you look and see if there's 2 BTSs in there? Because sometimes I get them and there's like no B's. No B's. No B's. That's what's happened to me. I bought you.
A purple heart.
Okay, so let's look at what we have here. I'm contorting right now. Okay, so we have lots of letters, smiley faces, dark purple-ish, and then purple. So, and when we have the bears at home. So, okay, I guess that's good. Okay. We got everything on sale. I only spent $10. Dang, look at this chopped up quarter. Who ate that?
Me.
You were hungry, huh?
I'm sorry.
Little piggy, hungry piggy.
Hungry.
Piggy's so hungry.
I'm hungry. Mommy, give me bye-bye, hungry.
This is a load of barnacles.
Saved a lot of money.
No. Yeah, nah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the white on the peas to make it a bee. No pressure, but I am recording. Sorry, okay, I'll stop.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. We have our ingredients. We have glitter stretch, which is just your average stretchy string, I guess. And then we have our why are you laughing at me? Our blue, is this even focused? Is this even focused? It's dark blue, but we're pretending it's purple. It looks purple enough. And then our purple beads. And then we have our bear, our smiley faces, and our BTS army, but we had to make the peas bees with the paint. So that's the ingredients. What we're gonna do first is we're going to take glitter stretch. And I usually take about...
Will that fit on their little letters?
Probably, right? Hold on. Yeah, it fits.
Okay, good.
Okay.
That would have been a minor inconvenience.
Literally, well, I mean, I have this stuff too. I haven't tried it yet.
Hey, Katie.
What?
I don't think that big string is gonna work for the little bracelet.
For the what?
For the bracelet. Because when you make the flower parts, you have to loop it through it twice.
Let's try this then. Okay, we need to make it extra long because whenever I was watching the live, he was kind of struggling with his length. So
I would struggle with that too.
Shut up! I'm gonna take a generous amount because you know it has to be long,
Lengthy.
Let's get
Oh dang,
on.
this is real stretchy.
Yeah, so I was saying to make a guitar. Okay.
How long did you make yours?
I made mine from, let's see, fingertip to mid bicep.
Mine's full length.
Whoa, full length. Jeez.
This one's mine. That one's Peaches. Isn't it so cute? Cutie, cutie, cutie.
This is cute, right?